It's easy to underestimate the small things. The 10-minute prayer, the moment of silence before your day begins, the habit of giving thanks even when nothing changes. They seem small, quiet, maybe even forgettable. But spiritually, those are the very moments that shape everything. There's a principle many forget, the compound effect. Not just in finance or success, but in faith. What you repeat daily doesn't just form your habits, it forms your heart. Scripture reminds us in Galatians 6-9, let us not grow weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. The problem is, we do grow weary because we want visible results, fast answers, and clear signs. And when those don't show up, we start thinking the habit isn't working. But seeds don't sprout the moment they're planted. Growth happens below the surface first. Every spiritual habit, even when it feels dry or mechanical, is a seed in sacred ground. That early morning scripture reading? Seed. That breath prayer while waiting in traffic? Seed. That quiet act of forgiveness? Seed. And like any garden, the work isn't just in the sowing. It's in the tending. That means watering it with faith, showing up when it's inconvenient, believing something beautiful is happening even when you can't see it. You don't need grand gestures to change your life. You need consistency in the small things, faithfulness over flash, depth over drama, roots before fruit. And over time, the habits you once thought were just routine will start bearing fruit in unexpected places. Peace where there was once anxiety. Strength where there was once hesitation. Clarity where there was once chaos. So don't despise the small beginnings. Your future is being shaped in your now. And every time you choose what's life-giving, even when it's not exciting, you're aligning with the person you're becoming. Let the world chase loud. You keep planting deep. That's where the real harvest is found. If this resonated, take a moment to reflect in the comments. Leave a prayer request or share a habit you're trying to build. And if you want more space like this, where your spirit can slow down and breathe, subscribe for more. We're growing something real here.